Looking for the perfect Christmas Day hairstyle? Well, you've hit the jackpot. Today we're diving into a detailed step-by-step guide on how to craft a stunning Christmas Day hairstyle. Whether you're a seasoned hairstylist or a beginner just dabbling in the world of hairdos, this guide is for you. We'll be transforming ordinary locks into an extraordinary festive masterpiece. So, buckle up, grab your combs, and let's embark on this hair-raising journey together. Stay tuned to transform your hair into a festive masterpiece. First things first, gather the essentials. To create the perfect Christmas Day hairstyle, you'll need a few key items. Start with a good quality hairbrush. This will help detangle your locks and prep them for styling. Next, you'll need hair ties. Opt for ones that match your hair color to ensure they blend in seamlessly. Bobby pins are another must-have. They're the secret weapon to securing your hairstyle in place. Don't forget a fine-tooth comb. It's perfect for creating precise parts and adding detail to your style. A hairdryer and a curling iron will be handy too, for adding volume and curls if you desire. And last, but certainly not least, hairspray. A good hairspray will hold your hairstyle in place throughout the day's festivities. Remember, these are just the basics. Feel free to include any additional tools or products that you normally use in your hair routine. With these tools at hand, you're all set to create a festive hairstyle. The key to any great hairstyle starts with prepping your hair. First things first, let's ensure your hair is clean and dry. You don't want any excess oil or product buildup interfering with your style. Now, grab your brush. It could be a paddle brush, a wide-toothed comb, or a detangling brush. The choice is yours. The aim is to detangle and smooth out your hair, making it easier to work with. Once your hair is thoroughly brushed, it's time for some heat protection. Remember, we're about to style, and that often involves heat. So, to keep your hair healthy and prevent damage, generously spray a good heat protectant all over your hair. Make sure it's evenly distributed from roots to ends. Next, let's talk about sectioning. This step is crucial, especially if you have thick or long hair. It helps you manage your hair better and ensures every strand gets the attention it deserves. Divide your hair into sections using hair clips or ties. Usually, 3 to 4 sections should suffice, but feel free to create as many as you need for comfortable styling. Finally, if your hair tends to be frizzy, consider applying a smoothing serum. Just a dime-sized amount should do the trick. It'll help tame any flyaways and give your hair a glossy finish. Now that your hair is prepped, you're ready to start styling. The foundation of your hairstyle is crucial. And with that in mind, let's dive into the initial steps of creating the base of your festive Christmas hairstyle. Whether you're aiming for a sleek ponytail, an elegant braid, or a classic bun, the process begins with the same essential step: sectioning your hair. Imagine your hair as a canvas, waiting for the brush strokes of a painter. You're the artist here, and your hands are the tools. Start by using your fingers or a fine-toothed comb to divide your hair into sections. For ponytails and buns, you might want to go with 1 or 2 sections. But if braids are your choice, you'll need at least 3. Now gather the hair in each section and secure it with a hair tie. If you're going for a ponytail, position it either high or low based on your preference. A bun, on the other hand, can be twisted and pinned up at the nape of your neck or the crown of your head. For braids, start weaving the sections, crossing one over the other in a rhythmic pattern until you reach the end of your hair length. Remember, this isn't a race against time. Be patient with yourself. The goal is to achieve a smooth, neat base that will hold the rest of your hairstyle in place. If you're dealing with flyaways or loose strands, use a bit of hairspray or hair gel to tame them. And there you have it, the base of your hairstyle, ready and waiting for the next steps. It might seem simple, but it's the pillar that supports the entire structure of your hairstyle. Just like the roots of a tree, it may not be visible, but its strength and stability determine the health and beauty of what grows above. Great work on setting the base. Let's add some festive flair to it. With the base in place, you're all set to move on to the next stage of this hairstyling journey. Get ready to bring some Christmas magic to your hair. Now, let's make it festive. The magic of Christmas isn't just in the air, it's about to be in your hair as well. The holiday season is the perfect time to sprinkle a little extra sparkle and spirit into your hairstyle, and we have just the festive touches for you. Let's start with ribbons. Ribbons are a simple yet effective way to add a dash of holiday cheer to your hair. Opt for traditional Christmas colors such as red, green, gold, or silver. You could weave these ribbons through your braids or tie them around your ponytail. Remember, it's all about making your hairdo as festive as you feel. Next, let's talk about glitter. Glitter is a great way to make your hairstyle shine brighter than a Christmas tree. You could go for a subtle dusting of glitter on your hair, or if you're feeling bold, why not sprinkle some glitter on your hair parting? It's like a starry night right on your head. Now onto Christmas-themed hair accessories. These can range from holiday-inspired hairpins to Christmas bauble hair ties. Snowflakes, reindeers, Santas, Christmas trees. There's an accessory for every Christmas symbol you can think of. Use these accessories to adorn your hair and add that extra touch of holiday spirit. You could also consider using hair chalk or temporary hair color sprays to add streaks of red, green, or even gold to your hair. This is a fun and temporary way to switch up your hair color for the holiday season without the commitment of permanent dye. And there you have it. With ribbons, glitter, Christmas-themed accessories, and possibly a dash of color, your hairstyle is now as festive as can be. Remember, the magic of Christmas is all about spreading joy and cheer, and your festive hairstyle is a wonderful way of doing just that. Your hair is starting to look a lot like Christmas. Scene script. Almost done. Let's add the finishing touches. We're at the home stretch, and it's time to ensure our Christmas Day hairstyle is secure and ready to dazzle. First, we'll tackle any loose strands that may have escaped during the styling process. Grab a few bobby pins and carefully tuck in these strays, making sure they blend seamlessly with the rest of your hair. Remember, the goal is to create a polished look, so don't rush this step. Now, let's give our hairstyle some staying power. Reach for your trusted hairspray. You'll want something with a strong hold, but without that crunchy feel. Hold the can about 12 inches away from your hair to evenly distribute the product. A light misting should be enough to keep your style in place, but feel free to add more if your hair tends to be stubborn. Next, let's adjust any accessories we've added. Maybe you've incorporated a festive ribbon or a few sparkly hairpins to match the Christmas spirit. Ensure these are securely fastened and positioned exactly where you want them. If you have a mirror handy, take a moment to check your hair from all angles. This is your chance to make any last-minute tweaks to the positioning of your accessories. Before we wrap up, let's check the overall balance and symmetry of our hairstyle. Is everything evenly distributed? Is there a side that needs a bit more volume or a few more curls? Don't be afraid to fluff up sections of your hair or add a few more waves with your curling iron. This is the time to perfect your look. Finally, give your hair one last spritz of hairspray for good measure. This will ensure your hairstyle remains intact as you celebrate the magic of Christmas Day. Voila! You've created a stunning Christmas Day hairstyle. Your hair is now ready to complement your festive outfit and fill your day with extra sparkle. Now go out there and shine, knowing your hair looks absolutely fabulous. Let's quickly recap the steps. We began with the essentials, gathering the materials needed. From hairpins to hairspray, every tool played a crucial role in creating our Christmas Day hairstyle. Next up, we prepped the hair, ensuring it was clean, dry, and ready to be styled. Moving on, we laid the groundwork for our festive hairstyle by creating a solid base. This involved sectioning the hair and securing it in place. Following that, we added the Christmas touches. This was where the magic happened, as we incorporated elements like ribbons and sparkling hair accessories. Finally, we finalized the hairstyle, setting it in place with a good spritz of hairspray. The result? An enchanting hairstyle fit for a Christmas queen. And there you have it, a festive hairstyle that's perfect for Christmas Day. Enjoy your celebrations and remember to spread the holiday cheer.